Make your bitch wanna back the fuck up. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Alright guys, so we are officially dressed and ready to roll to this Halloween party. I'm Julius Caesar for tonight. Nat has on her Cleopatra outfit. She is looking like the queen herself.
I'm missing the headpiece.
The headpiece is coming on later, so don't worry about that. But what we're doing, we're getting ready to step out, dip. We're gonna go meet up with Jody, Trent, other companions and awesome people. So
She has we have shirts, we have shot glasses. I want a baby tea for Emmy.
alright, so we are officially at Jody's house right now, and we're gonna take some shots. People are getting dressed with costumes. As you saw earlier, Nat, Cleopatra, Cupid back here. And they're gonna throw on. We're not gonna show Jody yet
pouring shots
because she's not dressed in her costume yet. But Cupid is pouring shots. Here, who's here?
How you doing, babe? How you doing? How you doing, babe? How you doing, babe? How you doing, babe? How you doing? I want the knots, I want the rocks in my socks. I want the cheese. I want the
3 days later.
We are recording tonight in the studio. Me and my big brother. Always good to have you. We're about to work some fire shit together. You guys stay tuned for We'll stretch it like low key and punch in. Let me do it one more time. I want the cheese, I want a lot. I want the ice on the rocks. Balenci my socks. I kind of let it kind of fade, but I feel like I let it ride a little bit because I don't know, for some reason the build-up kind of hits. Breathe. I'm gonna echo these. Hello. Do it.
How you doing, babe? How you doing, babe? How you doing, babe? How you doing? How you doing, babe? How you doing, babe? How you doing, babe? How you doing?
I can even do like little words for like, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Like build it up.
Balenci my socks.
What if you came in there? How do you feel about that? Come in with like,
Yeah, play it from the top.
Let's go.
add words.
Let's go, let's go. How you doing?
Hello.
All the nuts, all the rocks in my socks. All the cheese, I want a lot. All the ice on the rocks. Balenci my socks.
You could have it here for sure. Like, so once it goes here,
Balenci my socks.
you can have it there, or you could literally have it here, and I'll just add something there. You can have it at the bounce, whatever you want to do.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 3 Hello. Make a bitch wanna back the fuck up.